Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a power bank from Intex. It's Intex IT-PB11K. It is the model which is most wanted in any online in Amazon or Flipkart. You can see the outer box specifications. You can see its specs. The most important thing is its life cycle. It's more than 500. If you charge your device every day, you can use it up to 500 days. It's almost 1.5 year. It's very worth for its money. I have bought this power bank for 699 rupees via Flipkart with a 10% discount of HDFC debit card or credit card. So let's open the box. Here we go. I am opening it. Yes, here is the power cable. There is no adapter given, and here is the power bank. I am holding it in my hand. It's very compact. You can if you use it in your hand. There are 4 LEDs given, each denotes 25% of charge for discharge or charging. Both is same for LED notification. This LED given, you can double touch it. Yes, like this. It's not a normal beam. It's decent one. Like a mobile flash. Well, you can see the power bank. Yes, you can see the 3 ports are given. 2.1 amps, 2.1 amps and 1 amps. If you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time with very good output. Well, let's check it performance. I am going to connect it with my mobile. Let's see what will happen. It's 11,000 mAh, guys. So it's the very decent power bank under 1,000 rupees. Well, I am going to connect it with my mobile. Normally in power bank, if you connect to mobile, it will automatically turn on. Let's see. Yes, it's charging. You can see the display on. Let's see it's charging or not. Yeah, it's charging. You can see this. Here we go. Yeah, it's charging. At this price range, there are so many power banks in online. MI, Amcat or Lenovo, Cisco. So according to me, I have used this power bank for a while from the past 15 days, but this one looks a very decent performance compared to other. I have used the MI before, but this one looks very decent for me. Let's see. Most of the people care about weight. It's given 275 grams in its box. We will check it out whether it is the same weight or more or less. I'm going to put it in a weighing machine. Let's see how much it weighs. I'm turning on. Yeah, it's 282 grams, but they have given 275. It's not a huge difference of numbers, but it's a very decent power bank under 1,000 rupees.